Hello everyone, it's great to be back on the channel with you all today. In this video, I'm excited to share with you a debit tracker that I created for my mom's shop to simplify the process of keeping track of debit transactions. About 2 months ago, I mentioned that I'll be developing an app for her to streamline the recording, updating and cancelling of debits that are traditionally done in books. Well, I'm thrilled to announce that I have finally completed this project and digitalized the process by building a mobile app for her. So if you're interested and happy to see this video, consider subscribing, like, and leave a comment in the section below. So with that said, let's jump right in. So there's the app. As you can see, there's the last screen over there. So I started with the login screen where I can authenticate the admin to have access to the page to make any modifications. So once you're authenticated, you can see the information over there, the customer detail, the individual customers, and also the reports page where you can see the amount owed, paid, and also the total amount of each individual. So with the dashboard, you can see the total debit of all the customers and also the amount paid by all the customers and amount pending by all the customers, and percentage wise you can see those information to make your decision. So beneath it is a calendar to track each day a transaction was performed, right? So with the customers page, you can see the detail of a customer transaction, the amount owed, the paid amount, the date the transaction was issued, the item description, the total price, location, and the last date it was updated. So you can track that as well. You can also proceed to add a new customer. So the first one is going to take in the customer info. That's the name, the location, and the phone number. So in here, I handle all the validation as well, the location and the phone number. So you can continue by giving the item description, what you just requested for. So and the last one is the pricing. So in here, you need to give the total price of the item. So if there was an initial payment, you need to provide that value. By default, it is 0. So you need to handle the initial payment. So I handle some validation where the initial payment will not exceed the total price. So the total amount paid will be calculated automatically. So you need not to type in that manually. So you can see a customer is being created over there with a toast notification. So you can see the detail of that particular customer I just created, the amount or the paid amount, and all those informations. So you can just swipe to update and delete the customer, right? So with the update, you can just update the price in case. So you can see the customer is being updated, right? So you can see the detail of each customer. So in here, you can also swipe to make a call to that particular customer for any info, right? And I think that's very useful feature. There is also search functionality where you can search for a particular customer to see the detail of that customer. So you can search for a particular customer in here to see the very detail of that particular customer. So that's basically it. You can see the updated, the last time it was updated. So the notification tab and also the reports tab, and the dashboard where you can make decision based on the information you have. So in here you can log out from the page and you'll be returned to the login page, right, to enter your username and password. So I check for that validation. So if that is wrong, we are going to have a toast notification and letting you that there is invalid username or password. I also handle the network as well. So if you're not connected to the internet, you're not going to have access to the dashboard and all those details, right? So leave a comment in the section below to know your feedback, what to add on to improve it. See you in our next tutorial. Until then, stay tuned.